Unlock the power of AI with Google Gemini, Google's innovative chatbot designed to rival ChatGPT and Microsoft Copilot. Previously known as Bard and now part of the Gemini AI model family, it offers capabilities from image creation to code execution. Whether you're integrating it into Workspace, Android, or using it as a standalone tool, discover how to enhance your digital experience with Google Gemini. To start using Google Gemini, available in numerous countries and supporting languages like English, Japanese, and Korean, follow these simple steps. Navigate to Google Gemini. Visit gemini.google.com, your gateway to accessing Gemini's features. Access is also available via Android apps, the Google app on iOS, and Workspace apps such as Docs and Sheets. Sign in. Click the Sign In button. Ensure your Google account is verified for users above 18. Agree to terms. Accept Google Gemini's terms of service by clicking More and then I agree on the following page. Begin exploring. Click Continue to be directed to the main Gemini page, ready for your AI exploration. Using Google Gemini. With access to Google Gemini, dive into its vast capabilities. Accessing Gemini. Visit gemini.google.com to open the AI tool directly. If access issues arise, verify your granted access. Making queries. Input your query or search term into the search box and press Enter to initiate. Engaging with AI, await Gemini's response, continuing the conversation, or utilizing the traditional search with the G icon for further exploration. Google Gemini stands at the forefront of AI interaction, offering an extensive suite of tools for creative and analytical tasks. From generating images to writing stories and even coding, Gemini is shaping the future of digital assistants. Step into the world of advanced AI with Google Gemini and transform how you interact with technology today. If you found this guide on Google Gemini helpful, please give us a thumbs up and share it with others who might benefit. Haven't subscribed yet? Now's the perfect time to join our community for more insightful content. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips and tricks.